Spring is right around the corner and we need to get it together and start doing our cleaning, you know, especially means I want to show you guys my must have kitchen essential tools. This here, my goal is to keep my kitchen light. I want everything to be light. I do not want too much in my kitchen. I don't like a lot in my surroundings. I'm gonna start with basic one. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy beautiful day to you all. Today's video is a must-have cooking and baking tools for every kitchen. Cooking and baking are not just about following recipes. They're about having the right tools to make the process smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, having the right kitchen essential can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore some of the most important and favorite cooking and baking tools that every kitchen should have. Let's start with the knives. You absolutely need a chef knife, a paring knife, a kitchen shear. Okay, a chef knife is a versatile knife for chopping, slicing, and dicing. And a paring knife is perfect for peeling and small precision cut. Kitchen shear is great for cutting the herbs, trimming meats, and opening packages. You can use that to open packages. Yeah. So now let's move on with the cutting board. For cutting board, you can choose a durable one. As you can see right there, I have several different kinds, which some of them I'm not gonna use anymore. For example, that one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out. And it's a pretty good cutting board. We've been through a lot, and that one too, forget it. You can see we've been through a lot. So that one definitely I'm gonna throw it away. And all you need is a durable one, a perfectly wood or plastic good. That one I use it when I'm cutting fruits, small things. Yeah, this is the plastic one. It's very good. That one is the glass one. That one is also, I think it's plastic. I think that's how you call it. But anyways, these are all my cutting board. So all my cutting boards, and I enjoy them. I will get rid of only two. I guess the first two that I showed you that they have to go, because sometimes you don't want to keep them for so long. I keep them clean, but you don't want to mess with bacteria. So I am going to throw them out and get some new ones. Measuring tools. Of course, you will need your measuring cups and spoons, and also a kitchen scale. There are essentials for accurate cooking and baking. I enjoy cooking, but baking, that's my thing right there, guys. It is a stress relief for me. I don't know about you guys, but me, I am so serious. Whenever I bake, I feel relaxed and good. Please get a scale if you can. It's important to have. Our next stop is with mixing and stirring tools. First of all, you have a wooden spoon. It's ideal for stirring sauce, soup, and batters. And then you have your silicone spatula. It's great for scraping the bowl and folding ingredients. Trust me, to scrape the bowl, perfect. I love them for that. They are so good. And then when you have a whisk, the whisk is perfect for mixing batters and then eggs and dressing. Oh yes, perfect. When you're making your dressing, you're mixing, it's really good. I love that. Tongs is a useful tool for flipping flipping your meat and handling hot food. You know, the one you guys that love your steak. Just take that baby and flip it, you know? These tools are important. You need to have them. If you want to save money, you can always go to Dollar Tree and purchase them. FYI, this is not a promotion for Dollar Tree. Cast iron skillet retains heat well and is perfect for searing meats and frying. Non-stick pan, great for cooking delicate foods like eggs and pancakes. This one is my frying pan when I'm doing my fried rice. I use that, but that's not something that it's a must-have. It's like something that if you want, it's your choice, but it's good to have. Introducing to you my saucepans. I use them for soup. If I'm making something small, I like sauce, soup, or boiling some eggs, things like that. And this big one, I usually use it when I'm boiling pasta or making some meat stew, any kind of stew, or if I'm making a big pot of soup. I would use that. And yeah, so these are all my cooking pots and pans, guys. Very important. A little must have in your kitchen. Yeah. These right here are my time-saving appliance. Trust me, there are time-saving appliance. First, we're gonna go with our blender and food processor. I have a blender and I have a food processor. I bought a blender and then this was gifted to me. My daughter got this for me. I don't know, she just got it for Mother's Day. And I don't want to give that away. She gave that to me as a gift. And I love my blender, so I'm keeping both. They both have use for me. And I have space for them, so I'm going to keep both. Alright, so now let's move on to the other blenders. I have this little one right here. This one right here, sometimes I don't feel like carrying this big one, then I use this, and I had that for a very long time. This, I'm gonna keep that one. This one right here, let me put this down. This one right here, my son gave that to me. I don't remember if it was my birthday, Mother's Day, or just because I don't remember. Just get charged with USB. So this is something that I'm planning on keeping. My niece gave me that one. This was supposed to be with the same purpose as that one. Keeping. Now, this one right here is a hand blender. I guess I'm keeping that one too. I haven't used it yet. I use this when I'm making hot chocolate or to cream milk. Yeah, that's it. Air fryer, a healthy alternative for crispy foods with less oil. Guys, if you can invest in one, do it. It's really good. You don't have to go and deep fry, and then you have all that oil in your meat, your chicken wings, or whatever it is that you're frying. One of these air fryer, it's really good. If you can, get one. You can air fry, you can bake, you can roast, you can reheat, dehydrate, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay. Slow cooker or instant pot makes your meal prep easy with one pot cooking. Love it. My instant pot, I kind of like it better than the slow cooker. I think I'm gonna give away the slow cooker because it's slow. I'm gonna give away my slow cooker and I'm gonna keep the instant pot. I'm pretty sure someone else would have a good use for it, so I'm gonna give that one away. That's my slow cooker. So in everything here, I'm only giving away one stuff. That one I'll keep, anything else I will keep. More of baking tools. I think they're very important to have. So yeah, very important. If you love baking, it's important. Having the right tools in your kitchen makes cooking and baking more efficient, fun, and successful. Do you have a favorite kitchen tool that you can't live without? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and recipes. Happy cooking and baking.